I'll start. So I'm Ziv from TechSee, and we've created the world's first virtual assistant that is powered by computer vision, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality. And if that's not enough buzzwords for you, it also works with deep learning and object recognition. Just a quick question to the crowd. Anyone here likes calling customer care or waiting for a technician at home? Okay, we're all normal. So I want to present Eve, actually Eve. And Eve lives on a cloud. She's very smart. And like every woman, she has millions of eyes connected to her brain. She has endless capacity of learning and processing. And she also has virtual hands. Her mission in life is very simple, and that's to make our lives simple. Eve basically helps better connect humans with devices, products, things, anything in our physical world that we need help with. 2 words about the company. 3.5 years on the road now, about 60 people, growing very fast. This year we're going to be 100. We're hiring if you're interested. We've raised 25 million from Salesforce and Scale Ventures from the Valley. We have a lot of very interesting, unique, and strong patents. And we have a bunch of customers that I'm going to talk a little bit about. First of all, our relationship with Vodafone. We have a group agreement we've signed with VPC. We already launched with 10 Vodafone countries. Very happy with this great relationship that we have. Apart from that, you can see a bunch of other telcos, again, group agreement level. But it's not only telcos, we're very versatile. So we work with insurance companies, with consumer electronic companies, as you can see here, utilities, you name it. Our mission is to change the way that we consume customer care, really create an exceptional customer experience, and again, help consumers better connect with devices through different cycles of purchasing, using, and of course, customer support. So just a quick glimpse of how this works. Unfortunately, they didn't let me do a live demo here. So all you need to do is you hold Eve, or you hold your phone, and Eve is going to take over. Eve can see, Eve can understand, Eve can guide the customer, and Eve can also talk. That's another thing typical for, I guess, one of the genders here. Thank you very much.
So
can you give me just give me a real example of where Eve will help me in my everyday life?
So you wake up in the morning and your coffee machine doesn't work. I don't have hair, right? So maybe you would do this. Instead of that, just point your phone to Eve. No application to download. It's based on a browser. So just point your phone. Eve is going to take over, understand what the problem is, and just tell you, you need to descale, you take this out, and it works with augmented reality. So it's on your phone. You see the instructions.
Okay, and she can do that now? You can do that now?
Just after the session, I'll show you. It's amazing.
And you're driving revenue already then from this?
Of course, yeah.
How much revenue?
8 digits this year. 8 digits in dollars this year.
Okay, so you're not really a startup.
Yeah. 25 million already raised.
25 million raised.
Yeah,
what are you going to do with 120,000 if you won that today? It's kind of, do you need it?
How much?
120,000 is the price?
120,000.
Okay, do you need to go now?
No, but that's a nice amount. I guess we're...
So it's a startup if you consider the enormous size of the market, because it's 8 digits is little bitty.
Of course.
So the question is, how do you scale Eve?
Okay, so that's a great question. There are 2 answers to that. So first of all, one of the products that we've launched to the market that a lot of these names that you've seen here are using, it's an agent that uses video streaming from the customer's phone. So basically the customer holds his phone against whatever product that they have. And Eve is also, and they use the agent uses augmented reality to help the customer. Eve is also looking at this video stream to better understand in the future, or basically over time, how to help the customer to self-serve. That's one thing. The second thing, there is a studio that we provide to our customers, and they can upload information of their products, and that's the winner.
Thank you.
Thanks.